I was just about to start my 10,000 steps for today, but I remembered another day, another package. Ang bigat neto, girl. I ordered it the other day and sobrang bilis ng shipping niya. I just got it and we are going to try and use it. Masyado yata mabigat yung na-order ko. Kasi I ordered yung 3 kilograms each. I lost a lot of weight last year and so saggy. We don't like that. Sabi ng friend ko, I have to start doing this. Pero I can't commit to going to the gym. Time commitment, the budget. So we have to be a little creative. And so speaking of creative, I saw this and it's here. Kailangan bigat niya, girl. I'm not sure that I made a good choice, but I'm gonna set the timer for 5 minutes each and every 5 minutes ililipat ko sa kabila until such time na kaya ko na ng dalawang dumbbell maka-adjust yung body ko. This is also one of the things na magiging roadblock ko is that I don't know how to do it. If you guys are also into your fitness journey this 2026, kung nagte 10,000 steps kayo sa Walkpad, this is the next thing that you need to get. I-check nyo na lang sa comment section or probably sa yellow basket. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!